Alright, so we absolutely cooked throughout London session last night. So we ended up coming to the market with a bullish bias. Our draw on liquidity was met within an hour 20. Now here's proof of entry. We ended up scaling in with a 5.83 position with another 4.85 lots. Now you will see on Trade Locker, we did target for a 4.6R. On TradingView, you will see 6R. It's because we did have a little bit of spread with our stop loss and entry. It's whatever, that's trading. Shortly after, we ended up hitting our TP1, which was just these previous swing highs. Scaled out 20-25% of our position. We were waiting for price to trade into our 3R area, but price missed by like point of a pip, which is quite annoying, but that's just trading. We ended up retracing and consolidating a little bit. I had some lower time frame confirmation where if price swept this low here, our trade may be invalidated. So I traded my stop just above these lows here, just below, I'm sorry, and just to protect profit basically. But shortly after, price just broke structures to the upside. We ended up scaling out another 20-25% of our position with our second position. So we were risk-free trade. Our stop loss did go to break even, after that. And then our draw on liquidity was met shortly after. So that was the basic rundown. But now let's get into the analysis of it. So we had our high time frame POI, this 4-hour fair value gap, with a 1-hour liquidity sweep. Now I just wanted our medium time frame confirmation to actually confirm our bullish order flow where we would start to frame our trade from. So we got this 15-minute IFEG. I wanted to see a 15-minute retrace back into our zone. We didn't get that, but I ended up scaling in anyway. And the reason behind that, why I was so confident that this would actually play out, is because we had some pretty early on 5-minute bullish order flow come in and was respected quite nicely after that. So we ended up invalidating this 5-minute IFEG. Plus we had a 5-minute change of state of delivery. Price just absolutely respected it. Kept trading up. Now we ended up getting our 5-minute entry model actually play out just here. I didn't want to enter purely off of that because I wanted a little bit more. We had 5-minute fair value gap just here. So I wanted to layer that with some further confluences. Is our 1-minute liquidity sweep into this zone here. We ended up inverting this 1-minute IFEG as well and had a 1-minute change of state of delivery. And we also made a lower low on GU and a higher low on EU. So we had some SMT as well. Now market enter after that. And shortly after, the market just absolutely rallied. It was awesome to see. We ended up actually hitting our TP1 within 10 minutes or so. Scaled out just here, as you can see. Now, I wanted to see price actually respect this 5-minute fair value gap. We also created SMT inside of this zone as well, where I did call a scale in position, and I'll show you shortly. But if price did sweep these lows, it would have taken us out at our trailed stop loss just to protect our position and actually make some money on the day. We ended up shortly after breaking structures to the upside where we scaled out some more, and shortly after our overall TP was hit, which was a 4-hour fair value gap fill. I did want to see this 4-hour fair value gap actually be filled. So this 1-minute entry that I was talking about was this big change in state of delivery, retrace into the 1-minute IFEG. We got our rejection entry. I sent this into the Discord. I didn't enter it, but anyone that didn't enter this first trade would have been laughing. So that was basically the whole trade breakdown with our bias as well.